Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add social media links to Wix website. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix website, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on the plus that says add elements. Once you have tapped on the plus, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select social. After selecting social, from here you can see the different options. So you have the social bar that you can add. You can also add individual social media links. So you could select the icons right there. You can also scroll down and you can see the share buttons that you can select from. As you can see there, you can see the different templates that you can use. Now let's say, for example, I would like to add the social bar. All I would need to do is tap on the bar, and then from there I can drag and place it wherever I want on my website. All you'll need to do is simply tap on the bar, then from there I can drag and place it wherever I want. So let's say I would like to add it to the header right there. Then you will tap on set social links. After you have done that, you can select whether you would like to leave all icons or you can simply tap on the trash can to remove it. Then from the right hand menu option, you can tap right where you see link, and then you'll be able to input your Instagram link right there. You can also tap on Facebook and you could add in your Facebook link. So for example, I could go onto my Facebook page. Once on my Facebook page, all I would need to do is simply tap on the page name in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to copy the URL. Then you will go back into Wix and you're going to tap right where you see the Facebook link and you would paste in your Facebook link right there. Then tap on done. And you would do the same for Twitter. You can do the same for LinkedIn and also for TikTok and YouTube. Once you're finished, you'll tap on done to save the changes. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If I were to tap on preview in the top right hand corner and then select Facebook, you can see that I'm redirected to my Facebook page. Thanks for watching.